What's going on, guys? Dwayne here with My Investment Journey, and I am back again. In this video, I'm going to talk to you guys about 6 dividend payments that I got in the month of November. As a matter of fact, this is one of my lowest paying dividend payments that I got for a month, but it's not necessarily a big problem. See, getting these small payments today in regards to my dividend payments is not necessarily a problem because I'm worrying about the tomorrows. And by the tomorrows, I mean 20 years down the road and what those dividend payments will look like. All right. So once again, in this video, I'm talking to you guys about the 6 dividend payments that I got in the month of November. Now, if you're new to this channel, once again, my name is Dwayne with My Investment Journey, and on this channel I talk about how to start investing in the stock market, and I show you my investment journey. So be sure to subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Okay, so today has been rather interesting. As a matter of fact, today is December the 1st. I'll show you guys that at the bottom of the screen. I'm going to share my computer screen. So as you can see on the laptop, today is December the 1st. This is really cool because December the 4th is my grandmother's birthday. She will be 96 years old. She was born in 1925, so I'm really excited about the fact that she's made it to see another year. But anyway, today's December the 1st, and as you guys can see, looking at my current portfolio with Robinhood, today I am down $7,000. As a matter of fact, if I show you guys here on the screen, you can see that basically let's see, pre-market, which for me is 8 a.m. here in Houston. So pre-market, I was about $290,000. Okay. And then from there, I went on quite a bit of journey. So around 10:15 or so, or 10:10, I was up. The portfolio was valued at $292,000. And then of course, right now it's valued at $280,000. Either way, I cannot complain. I'm still very much in the green after a long year and some change to dig myself out of my negative $63,000 hole that I was in. If I could show you guys here on the screen, I'm going to click on 1W just to give you an overview what's happened in the past week. So the past week, my account is down, my portfolio is down $4,000. In the past month, I'll click on 1M as in Mary. In the last month, currently down $1,500. The last 3 months, I am up $33,000, which clearly is bonkers. The last 3 months, my portfolio went up $33,000. The last year, my portfolio has gone up $72,000. And then, of course, all time since I had any kind of experience or relationship with Robinhood, I'm up $34,000. So I really kind of started to reinvest back in May 2020. And since May 2020, I have invested $241,000. But as you guys can see here, in October of 2020, I was down negative $63,000, which is why my account balance was $182,000. So almost 100 G's from October 30th, 2020 to where I am right now. As you guys can see right now, I'm at $280,000, which is pretty cool. All right, so I'm going to show you guys the 6 payments that I got in regards to dividends in the month of November. I'm going to give you guys a quick overview here. I'll just show you in my account. So as you can see, the payment here at the bottom of the screen is as of November the 9th. Okay, so that was my first dividend payment in the month of November. If I scroll down, you can see that the next payment is October, right? So the very first dividend payment I got was from AGNC, November the 9th. And at that particular time, I had 195 shares, and they're paying 12 cents per share, which allowed me to get a dividend payment of $23.42. Now, of course, this was reinvested because I automatically have dividend reinvestment plan turned on, which is DRIP on Robinhood. The next payment that I got was from Apple. And of course, I'm going to show you guys my current position with each of these companies and kind of what my average cost is per share and my overall return. So in Apple, I got a payment on November the 12th. At that time, I had 625.10 shares. Apple is currently paying 22 cents per share, which allowed me to get a dividend payment of $137, which at that time Robinhood went ahead and grabbed a fraction of a share because Apple was trading for more than $137. Okay. The next one, as you guys can see, is Kinder Morgan. As of November the 15th, I had 109 shares, and they're paying out 27 cents per share, which allowed me to get a dividend payment of $29.48. Now, Apple and Kinder Morgan pay dividends quarterly. Okay, so that's once every 3 months. AGNC pays monthly. The next three also pay monthly. So the next one up is Prospect Capital. November the 18th, I got a dividend payment. I had at that time 1,485 shares, and they're paying 6 cents per share, which allowed me to get a dividend payment of $89.11. Okay, of course, that was reinvested. And then on the 29th of November, as you guys can see here, I have another payment with Armor Residential REIT, which this is my most hated position that I currently have in this particular portfolio because I'm down. This is the only company that I'm down with out of 13 different companies. So at the time I had 907 shares. They're paying 10 cents per share, which allowed me to get a dividend payment of $90.78. Once again, Armor Residential, Prospect Capital, and Gladstone Capital pay monthly. So the last one is Gladstone Capital. At the time I had 1,040 shares. They're paying 0.065 cents per share, which allowed me to get a payment of $67.62. So those are the 6 payments that I got in regards to dividends for the month of November. But I'm going to show you where I am position-wise with each of them. So AGNC, right here, you guys can see my average cost per share is $14.94. It was actually... this particular stock has gone downwards in the last couple of months, but that's okay. Overall, I'm still up. I'm up 1.07%, which is $31. It's not a lot, but it's okay. Okay. So as you guys can see, if I click on the last month, you can see that in the last month, it's gone down 92 cents. In the last 3 months, it's gone down $1.25. I don't think I've had this for more than a year. Yeah. So it's irrelevant. In the last year, it's gone down 39 cents. But anyway, this has kind of been going down, and that's okay. I'm just worried about this one for the dividend payments, and I'm not really worried because whenever it goes lower than what it is currently, I'll basically be getting, more shares, a bigger bang for my dividend payment, okay? Which is the case with Armor Residential REIT, which once again is my most hated position, but that's okay. The next one is Apple. So as you guys can see right here, I'm doing extremely well with Apple. My average cost per share is $126.68. This is my biggest position. So this is 36% of my portfolio. Okay, I was very, very aggressive in regards to Apple and Tesla when they both split in 2020. So I got my biggest positions with Apple and Tesla. My biggest position is with Apple, which now I'm like, I wish it was with Tesla, because Tesla is more than 100% as far as my return. It's like 121% right now. So initially, I think I invested about $70,000 or maybe like $69,000 with Apple back in August of 2022. I'm sorry, 2020. So as you guys can see, my current return with Apple, I'm up 29%, which is $23,000. Clearly not too shabby. I cannot complain. Apple and Tesla really helped dig me out of that negative $63,000 hole. Okay, so once again, that payment that I got, my most recent dividend payment was basically $137 and some cents. As you guys can see, the dividend payment is here on November the 12th for $137.52. And then there's a buy for $137.52 because Robinhood automatically grabbed some shares. They were almost able to grab a full share. As you can see, they were able to grab 0.914 shares, right where the mouse is, 0.914 shares. Okay, the next company is Kinder Morgan. Currently, my average cost per share is $14.58. My overall return with Kinder Morgan is 5.35%, which ends up being $86, my total return. And once again, I got that dividend payment in November. Let me just show you. So right here, November the 15th, you see it has a dividend payment for $29. And then November the 15th, you have a market buy for $29.48. Okay. So this one has been good to me for the most part. Of course, today, a lot of things went down today, which is why currently I'm down like $7,000, right? Since I started the video, let's double check. Yeah, so I'm down $7,416 right now, okay? The next company is Prospect Capital. And as you guys can see here, my average cost per share is $7.21. Really, really happy about that. My overall return, I'm up 17.20%, which equals $1,854. So if I scroll down and show you my recent dividend payment, November the 18th, for $89.11. And then as you can see, November the 18th, a market buy for $89.11. Okay, the next company is Armor Residential REIT. My average cost per share is $11.77, and currently the return totally is negative 18%, which equals $1,990. That's very, very frustrating, but it's okay. That's just how the cookie crumbles in regards to the stock market. You're never going to be up on every single stock and every position that you currently have. All right, so as you guys can see, if I scroll down here, there was a dividend payment for the 29th for $90.78. And then on the 29th, there's a market buy for $90.78. So they were able to grab some more shares at $9.99 at the time when Robinhood made that purchase for me. Currently, so $9.99. But currently it's trading for $9.60, and my average cost is $11.77. If I wanted to throw some more money at this particular company to kind of average down my average cost, make my average cost lower, I could do that, but it's just not very enticing when I'm currently down almost $2,000, as you guys can see right here. All right, the last one is with Gladstone Capital, and my current average cost per share is $10.81. My total return is 6.26%, which means I'm actually up $708. If I scroll down here and show you guys my most recent payment, as you guys can see, my most recent dividend payment was 20 hours ago for $67.62. And then, of course, the market buy was also for $67.62, okay, where they're able to grab 5.68 more shares. Okay, and that's pretty much it for the dividend payments in the month of November. Once again, today has been rather interesting because I found myself up today. I was up for $4,400, as you guys can see there on the screen. My portfolio is valued at $292,000, and then at the making of this video, my portfolio is $280,000. Of course, I'm sure the new variant in regards to the coronavirus is affecting kind of what's going on in the market, but you know, the market is affected by the slightest thing and the smallest news, or no news for that matter sometimes. All right, that's going to be pretty much it for this video. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that support. Help this channel grow and help get this video and more videos from this channel out to more viewers. So be sure to smash the thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, be sure to subscribe as well. All right, once again, my name is Dwayne with My Investment Journey, and I approve this video. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, take care and be blessed. Peace.